Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to delete Sleeper Fantasy account. In order to delete your Sleeper Fantasy account, you'll need to send a mail. So go over to the mail app which corresponds with your Sleeper account. And then we're going to click on compose. So on our mail, we're going to send a correspondence to Sleeper support requesting for the deletion of our Sleeper Fantasy account. The email account will be support@sleeper.app. And then here you're going to put in your subject and a written message. So as you can see, you want to follow the same template we're using right here. You're sending a mail to support@sleeper.app with the subject request delete my Sleeper Fantasy account. And then in the body, you just simply need to say, I wish to delete my Sleeper Fantasy account immediately. Thanks. Do take note that this action will erase all of your personally identifiable data. Your fantasy league and teams will remain as they affect the experience of other users on the app. In any case, the commissioner of the league you're in will still need to remove you from the league. So when you're sure of all of this, you can click on send, again with the corresponding email address that is connected to your Sleeper app, and you will receive a response with a follow-up. Do let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.